Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get grid photos on Instagram. First, understand that a grid photo is a single large image divided into smaller individual posts. When viewed together on your profile, these smaller posts form the original large picture. This technique creates a stunning and professional-looking feed, drawing more attention to your content. It's a fantastic way to showcase a high-quality image or a creative concept. To create a grid photo, you'll need a dedicated app. There are many excellent options available on both iOS and Android. Simply search your app store for GridMaker for Instagram or Photo Splitter. Popular choices often include features like different grid layouts, such as 3x1 or 3x3, and easy export directly to Instagram. Choose an app that feels intuitive and offers the grid size you desire. Once you've selected your app, open it and import the photo you wish to turn into a grid. The app will then prompt you to choose a grid layout. Common options include a 3x3 grid, which creates 9 posts, or a 3x1 grid for a panoramic effect. After selecting your layout, the app automatically splits your image into the correct number of individual squares, ready for posting. The final step is to post your newly split images to Instagram. It's crucial to post them in the correct sequence to maintain the integrity of your grid. Most apps will number the pieces for you. A common strategy is to post from the bottom right piece, moving left, then up to the next row. This ensures the grid appears correctly on your profile as each piece is added. Enjoy your stunning new grid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.